This video will give you a complete overview of how to use skills development and learning goals in NEO. Skills development helps your students achieve goals and prepare for future jobs through personalized recommendations. The Skills Development app is a for-fee add-on. To enable this feature, visit the App Center and click Request Access. Then provide any details you'd like in the pop-up message window. After pressing Send, someone from the sales team will contact you within 24 hours. Once skills development is enabled, teachers and administrators can start adding learning goals for students. Goals can be competencies that students must master to get a good understanding of a topic. Goals can also be job titles. The Goals widget on the student dashboard displays tiles for each active, paused, or complete goal. The widget also lists current recommendations that can be individually dismissed. To see why a particular recommendation appears, hover over the Why text. When you visit the profile page of a student, you will see a new Goals tab that lists all their goals. Administrators can configure skills development features by accessing the Skills area. Here they can select which goals a student can add, configure the recommendations engine, set automation actions, and set the scope of the Q&A forums. Visit the Recommendations section to select the kind of recommendations you'd like to be generated automatically. The Completion tab is where you can set up site-wide automation actions that are triggered when a particular goal is reached. To add a new goal, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the widget, click Add, and select the type of goal you'd like to include. Once you choose the type of goal you want to add, you'll see a list of possible items. Select a few competencies or job roles from the list and press Submit. Then, you can see all the active goals and associated recommendations in the Goals widget. When they click on a goal, students see the dashboard that shows which competencies have been mastered and which they still need to achieve. They can also visit the Q&A area to collaborate with other users that are part of the same forum. Now you know how to use the skills development feature. Schedule a demo of NEO today to learn more about our innovative features.